Okay, so good day, grade 7. Pa rin naman yung lesson natin, no? For mastering lang naman. Solving equations in one variable, particularly using bar model and abstract way of solving an equation. So let's start by answering this activity. Write the question that describes the bar model. Pause for a while, tapos try nyo sagutan sa papel bago ko i-reveal yung sagot. Okay? So let's see. So first, we have dito sa part na to, let's solve it. We have SS5, tapos sa baba, yung whole part na is 25. So we can write it as 2S, since dalawa yung S, plus 5 is equal to 25. Next, X13, tapos yung whole part niya is 100. So we're gonna rewrite this as X plus 13 is equal to 100. So third one, meron tayong tatlong V. So we're gonna write this one as 3V is equal to 24. And then the last one, oops, hindi nakita. Meron niyang Y dun sa baba. Meron niyang Y dito. Ayan. So, kita ba yung Y dyan? Oh, kita naman. Anyway, so that is, paano? 2Y, since dalawa yung Y, plus 12 is equal to Y plus 24. Wow, very good. Nakuha niyo ba? Perfect? Nice. So let's have the second one, second activity. Draw the bar model that describes the equation. Pause for a while again and try to draw your bar model that describes the equations dyan sa screen. Okay. So let's have this. X plus 5. So yung sa taas natin, we have two parts. The X part and 5. Tapos, yung whole daw niya, katumbas daw niya, bilang isang buo, ay yung 35. Okay, good. Next naman, 2y plus 7 is equal to 13. So, yung taas natin, upper parts, yun yung mga part and parts. So, meron natin dalawang y at isang 7. Kasi 2y, so dalawang y. 1, 2, and 7. And the whole part is 13. So, katumbas daw niya ay 13. And then for number 3, we have 5y is equal to 15. So, ilan daw yung y? 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Ayan. So, let's draw the y. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then, yung kabuuan daw niya, o yung whole value niya, that is equivalent to 15. Did you get it correctly? Nakuha niyo ba? Okay. So, let's proceed now with our lesson. Recall natin, paano natin gagamitin itong bar model? Tsaka paano natin gagamitin din yung bar model in connection with abstract computation sa algebra. Okay, so solve for the value of the variable in the equation using bar model and abstract. So, hatiin natin sa dalawa. Let us have sa first, sa left side, yung bar model, and on the right side, yung abstract. X plus 5 is simply, we have here x and 5. Then sa baba, yung kabuuan ng baba ay 35. Ito, ang kabuuan daw niyan ay 35. Now, para malaman natin yung value ng variable, yung number doon sa baba ng x bar, yun yung magiging katumbas na value ng x or na kung ano mang variable yung ginamit. So, x plus 5, that is equivalent to 35. So, paano natin makukuha yung x lang yung matitira? So, of course, we will try to cut 35. Kunin din natin yung, yan, i-cut natin ang kapareho dun sa 5 para makuha natin yung 5 parts. Okay? Then, after that, of course, kailangan lang natin matira, di ba, yung x bar. So, we will cancel yung 5 and 5 para matira na yung x. So, kung na-cancel natin yung 5 dun sa value ng 35 sa lower bars, ilan na lang yung matitira? 30. So, let's see, 30 plus 5, that is still 35. So, meaning, katulad niyan, nasa baba ng x yung 30. So, meaning the value of x is 30. Now, in abstract way, we have x plus 5 is equal to 35. Ni-remove natin yung 5 dun sa x plus 5 tsaka yung 5 sa 35. So, kapag in-abstract natin yan, removing is like subtracting. So, we will subtract 5 to both sides of the equation. So, ni-remove nga natin and then we will solve. 5 minus 5 is 0. So, may iwan na lang yung x. Bring down the equal sign. And then 35 minus 5, that is 30. So, pareho lang sila. Okay, next. And solve the value of the variable in the equation using bar model and abstract of 5y is equal to 15. So let's draw. 5y, ilan daw yung y? 5. Lima yung y. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So that is y, and y. And then yung kabuuan daw na whole part, that is 15. So, kailangan natin mahanap yung specific value ng y lang, yung nasa baba ng variable, para malaman natin yung value niya. So, since naka-divide equally yan by y, i-divide din natin yung whole part kung ilan yung y. So, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Since puro y yan, pare-pareho lang ang value niyan. So, meaning, divide 15, let's divide 15 by 5 kung ilan yung y value. And that is 3. So, y, so meron tayong 3, 3, 3, 3, and 3. So, 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3 is still 15. So, in abstract, that is 5y is equal to 15. Anong ginawa natin? Dinivide natin siya into 5 parts kasi 5 yung y. Y is equal to 3 pala dito ha. I forgot. Dinivide natin into 5 parts. So, we will divide also both sides of the equation by 5. Cancel, cancel. So, we have now y is equal to 3. Still the same. Okay, next. The value of the variable in the equation using bar model and abstract. So, we have 2y plus 7 is equal to 13. So, again, by dalawa tayo ulit ha. So, 2y, we have dalawang y and 7. So, this is y, and 7. And then yung kabuuan daw sa baba ay 13. Kailangan makuha natin, again, ang pinaka-goal natin, makuha natin or maiwan yung nag-iisang value ng variable. Or mahanap lang natin yung exact value o katumbas na value ng variable. Okay? So, pwede natin tanggalin ng mabilis from 7 and 13, so yung 7. Let's try to change the color to red again. Ayan. So, let's cut the same thing. So, dapat same lang yung cut para masabi natin na same talaga sila ng sukat. So, if this is 7, the remaining part sa baba will be 6. Very good. Okay. So, we can now cancel 7 and 7. So, ang matitira na lang dyan ay y, and then 6. O, since dalawa yung y at yung kabuuan ng dalawang y ay 6, what will be the value of 1y? Ano na ngayon yung value na nag-iisang y? Again, dalawa yung y. So, yung 6 ay mahahati. Magiging 3 and 3. So, yung 6 parts dito kanina, dinivide sa 2 at naging 3 and 3. So here, since nasa ilalim ng y ay 3, we can say that y is equal to 3. Okay? So let's have the abstract way. So cancel na to. This is 0. Bring down natin yung natitirang 2y is equal to 6. And then, after we get 6, of course, dalawang y daw, yung dalawang y equivalent sa 6. So what will be the value of single y? So we will divide that by 2. By 2, cancel, cancel. So we have y is equal to 6 divided by 2, 3. Okay? Next. How about kapag may subtraction na tayo? Like x minus 7 is equal to 13. So x minus 7, kapag drawing natin yan as bar model, we have here x sa taas. Okay. And then, ibig sabihin na x minus 7, meaning 7 is part of x. So, nasa baba lang siya. And then, the remaining parts daw nung minus yung 7 ay 13. So, what will be the value of x? So, pag nire-draw natin yan, that is equivalent to, we have here x, and then, combining 13 and 7, that is 20. Meaning, the value of x is 20. Now, sa abstract way, so we have x minus 7 is equal to 13. Okay, so naglagay tayo ng 7. So we will add 7 to both sides. This is equivalent to 0. So cancel na. Bring down x. Copy yung equal sign. And then 13 plus 7, that is 20. Next. 3y minus 7 is equal to 14. So let's draw again. Yung 3y, yung 7 daw ay part ni 3y. So sa taas, 3y lang ilalagay natin. 1, 2, 3. So this is y. This is y. This is y. And then sa baba daw niya ay 7 kasi part lang daw siya. And then the remaining parts is 14. So if you're going to rewrite, we can have tatlong y, and y, and the combination of the two, 14 plus 7, that is 21. So kung 21 yung ilalim, hahati mo pa siya sa tatlong y. Ilan ngayon ang isang y? So, pag hinati natin siya, dali natin itong 21. Hatiin natin yung 21 sa tatlong y. Okay? So, let's cut this. 21 divided by 3, that is 7, 7, and 7. Therefore, y is equal to 7. In algebraic way, 3y minus 7 is equal to 14. So, nag-add tayo ng 7 sa lower bar. Tapos, ni-remove natin dun sa unang bar, di ba? So, simply like this. This is equivalent to 0. Ba't tayo nag-plus ng 7? Kasi we add 7 here. We add 7 here. Mula dito sa minus. Inad natin sa baba. 14 plus 7, that is 21. Since 0 na yun, huwag na natin isulat. Bring down na lang natin yung 3y. Then bring down also the equal sign. Then after that, divide both sides by 3. Cancel, cancel. Then y is equal to 7. Kasi 21 divided by 3 is 7. Okay? Mas maganda kung i-pause nyo palagi, no, para matry nyo i-solve. Here is your seat work. So test 1, solve for the value of x in the equation using, dapat dalawa ha, bar model and abstract. The second one naman, mamimili ka lang kung bar model or abstract ang gagamitin mo. Okay, we will check that tomorrow. Sana okay na yung heat index natin. Have a nice day.